Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add reviews in your Shopify store. So, first you have to log into the store by using your Gmail account that is used by you to log in your Shopify account. So, let's go. First, we can do by a manual method. So, we have to go to our online store, as you can see, and it's loading. We can wait. So the by this way we can add a review section and we can just write reviews by ourselves to trust our customer. This is our first method we can do. So I will show you. Can do also. So let's wait until it load till it loads. So it's load now. We can do customize. Click on customize button. So as we can see, our store has came. So we have to go to for this. So we have to go at last. Here you can see at the review. You can just delete this in this by, or you can just uh, write a review. So I am doing by myself manually. Show the reviews with photos. Show the reviews with all photos. Okay, so here is no photo added. So as you can see, the photos and it is imported by the store menu. So to do this, watch till end. As you can see, it is added. So let's save it and then let's go back and go back once more. Then you have to see till last. So you have to click on this apps button. Then you will be forwarded to this, and then you have to search here review. I have searched to set come. So you have to use any one or two app to import review or write by review by yourself. I suggest you use this Judge Me. You can just add by here doing means you can add by this button if you have never added this. So you can add. And second one I will recommend this one, but this one is like for 14 days trial, then you have to pay for it. So I will suggest you to go with this, or if you have don't have a budget, if you have a budget to spend, you can go with this also. This cost you about plus taxes like it will cost you like $10 or $15. Let's see, you can just I've installed in my account. It's also good. As we can see, the two review collected. As we can see, it's there. We can just hide from here also. Okay, just we can do. And this Judge Me is type of a review, product review that added a widget to your store. So like you can say this, as we are here, it is customized. Like we can customize our widget. There is also plan require about like $15 a month. This is equal, like you have to pay $11, $12 monthly, but we can use it for a time period like in basic plan, but basic plan is not look like not look nice in your account, main account. So let's go to our main account. As we can see, we are the main account. So as we can go to this. So this is from looks. As you can see, this review looks nice, and I have more products. So in my store, so as we can see, I have I have just write manually this review by judgeme.com. As we can see, it is not coming now. Like yes, like it have been added. So like it have added in each site looks. So it's a issue. Let's uh, I would not suggest you to go with this. This is like adding all review to all product. This is not right. So let's go to this button. You can use to visit add media options. Verified by Judge Me. You can use verified by Judge Me, or you can just write yours. Like you can write with love, with love. You can save the settings. Okay, just as you can see, you can customize this, but you have to customize this. You have to buy the awesome plan of Judge Me. So let's get started. As you can see, we have to verify our mail also, but the mail is required of your business, not your personal Gmail. So as we can see, we can add review section by here, and you can add a great review by manually. You can just write the review manually. Like you can, here is written coming. You can write the review. Like I'm doing this and give a 5 star to your products. If you have a sample photo, you can just add. I'm skipping now. You can tell the experience. It's good. It's sorry. It's good. Do next. You have to name yourself as I'm naming nothing like writeabus@gmail.com. Just put done. Then thank you for submitting your review. Then continue. As we can see, review has been increased. I think so. So say 2 reviews are there. So let's see the review. It's we can see the review to like newest. Yes, it is not showing because of looks, because of this. So to remove like the reviews, you have to just open this app. If you can see, you have to hide this. Don't show it again. Hide, hide, hide. It's to hide, hide, hide. Okay, just you have done hide. Let's reload our store, viewer store. So as you can see, the store, the all reviews has been hidden that have been posted earlier. So as you can see, we can write a review, and when you will write a review, then here you can just do like as we can see. Wait, here Judge Me. Where is Judge Me? Yes, here is Judge Me. You can just manage review from here. As you can see, like product reviews, shop review, archive reviews, ask questions, create reports. There is no sales report, so there is no review. We can add, but we can add manually also. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching.